God dang. Okay. It's hot out here. It's 95 degrees. Oh, it's not 95 yet. It's going to be 95, and then we're going to have some storms coming through. God, I hope this is a good one. I've had a bad week. I've about had it. It's been a strenuous week, dude. God, Ozzy Osbourne died this week, and now we lost Hulk. I don't know too much about him, but apparently he died of a heart attack. Ozzy hit me the worst. He passed a couple days ago. So it's just been not a good week. Rest in peace, Ozzy Osbourne. Definitely some of my favorite music was in his catalog and Black Sabbath and stuff. It's been a harsh week, so when these storms come, I want them to beat the absolute shit out of us. I want stuff flying. They're just a line of cells right now. It's not really a line of storms. God, why is it so windy? That's ridiculous. It's just a line of cells right now. It's not really like an organized derecho or whatever. Which is fine. I want a line of storms. God, this is ridiculous. But when these storms come, this week, I want it to wash us off. It's been a harsh week, and I want these storms to go apeshit on us. Because it's just sad, man, this week. Rough. A little later checkup. The feels like temperature is 102 degrees. It's actually 93. We're having something coming. It's a little scary looking. Severe thunderstorm warning a couple miles that way. Okay, they removed the warning. I'm not in a good mood. My parents are going to a clinic or whatever, doctor's office or... Hello. Anyway, my parents are going to the doctor's office or hospital or whatever because mom's getting high blood pressure again. Even though she has blood pressure medication from what happened last year. And I guess that stuff just stops working after a while. That's dumb. She's getting dizzy and stuff again. Her blood pressure's kinda high. It's not too high, but she's dizzy. And if you're gonna yell at me that I'm sitting here, there's a storm coming and they're going to the hospital, and like that's not the right thing to do, suck one. I gotta calm down. There will be a new saga on my YouTube channel making fun of you. Because if they don't take her right now, I don't even know what the hell is gonna happen. This is a rough week, dude. We have bam, bam, bam deaths of people that we like. And now mom's having high blood pressure. Good God. God! I just opened the goddamn door. Holy... Oh my God. Did you hear that? That was my air conditioner whistling. That thing's leaning. Shit! What is going on? God, I was just about to say that. That thing's missing us. It looks pretty wicked, but it's missing us. Oh my Lord. It's like it's being sarcastic. It's all sunny and it's freaking turbulence over there. My parents are over there right now, where all those dark clouds are. Calm down. Hey dude, why are you looking at me? There's some wind. God. From something that missed us. That looks kind of wicked. All my parents are good. That looks like something over there. Is that a... I hope that's a cloud. That's... It better not be a funnel. I don't like that. I'm not too sure. It's fizzling out. It's about done. It fizzled out in a circle. That wind's done. Just blue sky. Okay. Gonna go back inside. I hope my mom's okay. Okay, it is a little bit later. My mom and dad are sitting over at the place. Mom's doing a little better. This just formed. I was sitting in my room trying to relax, watching funny Osborne clips. Maybe that can make things a bit better, and it did. And then I'd look at my radar, and holy shit. They're over there somewhere. Look how stiff the grass is. Look at that. Everybody else's yards are green. Ours is green. But then look at the neighbors. It's like Texas. Is that a hair tie? It's a hair tie. I'm gonna get it inside. Okay, off that way. My parents are under a severe thunderstorm warning. I hope things are going good. Man, I messaged them and they're alright. They're good. That was a couple minutes ago. I didn't look at the radar yet. This is freaking me out a little bit. There's a lot of lightning. Can't talk. I'm just trying to draw some characters in a notebook, which is very difficult. Whoa. Right to the meeting tree. Gotta see this. Holy shit. My parents are still at the clinic, hospital, whatever. It's not an emergency. I just saw a flash. See that? God, I ain't never seen this. Look how freaking dark it is. They're still there. This is not severe warned. This is just really dark. I'm scared to go piss. I need to, but I'm not. I don't know, man. It's so dark that you can see where the bark is gone on that tree. All up there now. It's slowly leaning. The year and a half it's looked like that. It's starting to sway this more this way. It might be a sign. God, this is... I don't like it. I don't like this. I don't like it. I don't like it. Good God. Oh, I gotta see if they texted me back. Yes they have. Thumbs up. That's probably Dad. That's not of Mom to put in text. Thumbs up. I think I've only seen that once, and that was 5 years ago. Oh my god, that's fast. I'm not gonna lie, this is scaring the farkles out of me. The whole sky just flashed right there. See how fast? Oh my god. See, it doesn't look like it on the camera, but or in video, but in real life, a lot of y'all should know about this. I'm seeing veins in my eyes. That's probably not a good thing. There's all kinds of people yelling. What was that? Jesus. Hey man. Thumbs up. Leaves flying. I thought I blinked right there. That was weird. I'm shitting. I just want something to be normal. Uh-oh. I hear it. It is just ramping up. It's not just a sudden kabooey. It's... Oh! It's just ramping up for something. I'm doing Michael Jackson moves. Please don't let this be terrible, dude. We got stuff on our plate already. Ooh. Look at that. Hey, brother. Is that hail? Ah! Jesus. Oh my God. Whoa. Oh, that smells weird. Whoa! Huh? Hey man, what do you want? Power? Good. It smells like when you played with the hose when you were younger. That's... My parents are in the building, so we're good. Crisscross. Rain. We have mist coming that way and then the other rain this way. Oh my God! Woo! Oh, it got cold. Flipping. Whoa, freaking. Ah, it went up my nose. My God. Wash it away. Wash it away, boys. Flash. You see the curtains? Woo! God, it punched it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Do you know what you're doing? So this ain't best at arguing with the storm. Do I know what I'm doing? Oh no, well, no, it's good. Do I know what I'm doing? That's the real question here. I guess I kind of ask myself that. I see clouds. Yeah. Ooh, it's cold. Well. Oh shit. Whoops. I don't even know what those things are. God. At least it makes my haircut less poofy. What the titties was that? It was like going around in circles for a second. That's entertainment right there. Still going. Did I get that? I don't know. Man. That's gonna be loud. I don't even know where the hell the dog went. Probably to the bedroom or something. Whoa. I hear a motorcycle. They were saying a quarter-sized hail before this came in, around the time Mom and Dad left. It was way out there. And I was thinking, oh, what if you got hit? Imagine getting hit with a quarter-sized piece of ice at 60 miles an hour, dude. That was the wind gust. That would not be good. That's what some of these motorcycles are out doing. Motorcyclers. I'm just sitting here like, what? Why? You're gonna come home looking like you got in a fight. Huh. That's fine. Yes, I tatted myself up. I wrote on myself. Danger. This is dangerous. God! I missed it. Zap! No more kids. I don't plan on it anyway. I want to be that YouTuber that's me through and through until I'm over and out. I want to get busy. There, he's screaming. I might have gotten that. That might have been a good one. I don't know. Looking from this angle, that elm tree looks a lot smaller than it was. Or than it is when you look at it from the front. It's actually way shorter than that one behind it, which is weird. Is that it? That was very quick and very angry. Freaking, maybe the pressure changes made my mom dizzy. I don't know. She was taking her medication for blood pressure and then suddenly it's like starting to not work. I don't like that. It's so dumb. Wow. Everybody's running around screaming over there. Should probably try and get some of these strikes. God. I saw it right through there. It wasn't big, but I saw it. It's all behind us, but then wow, the rain's falling. Get this tattooage off me. With that pen, you can do 1 week tattoos. It's really handy, actually. It's not just writing on your arm. It's a cheat code. You can have a tattoo, but it only lasts a week. Got one on this arm too. Do something. I'll try. I'm trying to get one at least. Oh well, yeah, something. What if I don't even know where the hell. I need a bucket. Let's try this again. I go out here and I see a lightning strike and I'm like, oh, I gotta record this. And then I go out here with a camera and a bucket looking like a retard, and then suddenly there's 4,000 people coming down the street. Oh! I'm gonna quit. Alright, let's try this. What the hell is that screaming? This is so botched, dude. Ooh, God, look at me like that, you twerp. I'm not instigating nothing. I'm not picturing a damn thing. I wish I knew what the hell that noise was. I'd shoot him. Do something. You do something every time someone comes down the road and looks at me like I'm stupid. When I'm recording, wasting my battery up, it does something. It doesn't do anything. It's already moving. There's people yelling in the forest? What? No, hell with you. I'm not doing that. There's something. Do something. Do something. It's getting rainy. Do something. 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 Finally. Right as I press record. I'm going back in. Okay, I'm back. I hope I got some good strikes out of that, because I just wasted a whole bunch of time with that. But yeah, thanks for watching. That was kind of unexpected. I asked it to do something, it did it. Thanks for watching. You can probably hear that crap through the forest. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go check up on my mom and dad now. Let's try to get to 700 subs.